And soon after the Prime Minister's exclusive interview to Network 18, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has reacted to the Prime Minister's interview, especially on his comments, his statements on Odisha. In fact, the Prime Minister's appeal and has said that the Prime Minister has set the narrative for the elections in Odisha as well.
क्या एजेंडा रहेगा इस पर?
देखिए, संबलपुर अपार संभावना की केंद्र है। हमारा उड़ीसा भी अपार संभावना की केंद्र है। यहाँ इतने पानी है, इतने उर्वर जमीन है, इतने मेहनत कश लोग हैं, उसके बावजूद हमारी संबलपुर जिले में, संबलपुर की आसपास इलाका में, समग्र उड़ीसा में जो विकास होनी चाहिए था वो नहीं पा रहा है। इसके कारण यहाँ की एक स्थानीय सरकार जिसके पास संवेदनहीनता है, जिसके पास लोगों की दुख दर्द समझने के लिए कोई दायित्व नहीं है, कोई दृष्टि नहीं है, ये लोगों के खिलाफ काम कर रहे हैं। इस बार लोग उनके खिलाफ वोट देने वाले हैं, मोदी जी पे भरोसा करके वोट देने वाले हैं। और कल मोदी जी ने बहुत प्रासंगिक मुद्दे को लोगों के सामने लाया है कि उन्होंने खुद एक सवाल खड़ा किया है, क्या कारण है इतने संसाधन के बावजूद, इतने मेहनतकश लोगों के बावजूद उड़ीसा पीछे क्यों है? उड़ीसा के नौजवान बाहर क्यों जा रहे हैं काम करने के लिए? उड़ीसा को विकसित करना है। विकसित भारत में उड़ीसा विकसित होने से ही विकसित भारत होगा। इसीलिए उन्होंने कहा कि हमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी को एक अवसर दिया जाए सेवा करने का, हम उसको एक नंबर राज्य बनाएंगे देश में। वैसे ही उन्होंने कल प्रश्न उठाया, मनुष्य की स्वाभिमान सबसे ऊपर होता है, अस्मिता सबसे ऊपर होता है। आज उड़िया स्वाभिमान, उड़िया अस्मिता, उड़िया गौरव, उड़िया परंपरा आज समस्या पे है, वो आज दब रहा है। इसके खिलाफ भी उड़िया लोग जो कभी नतमस्तक, इतिहास कहता है हम कभी अपने गौरव के लिए प्राण दे दिए लेकिन नतमस्तक नहीं हुए। मैं आभार प्रकट करता हूं प्रधानमंत्री जी के पास, उन्होंने ऐसे सारे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे को कल प्रायोरिटी में लाए। चुनावी मुद्दा उड़ीसा की विकास और उड़ीसा की अस्मिता, यही दोनों होने वाला है।
Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan saying that the elections in Odisha this time the fight will be on for Odia pride, for their independence, for their self-respect. Aman joins us for the very latest on this. Aman, on the remarks by the Prime Minister as far as the elections in Odisha is concerned, it again brings, it once again raises that question of whether the BJP and BJD are foes or they are frenemies, because the Prime Minister says that as far as mudde is concerned, issues are concerned, they have collaborated in the past at the centre. But the Prime Minister also adding that the BJP needs to be given a chance to ensure the progress of the state of Odisha.
Well, yes, the BJP and the BJD, I would call it a complicated relationship,
Yes.
because it is true that before these election campaign started, the BJP and the BJD had done extensive talks for an alliance, both at the national as well as the assembly election level. As we know, Odisha goes to simultaneous Lok Sabha and assembly elections next month, and another 3 weeks in fact. So both the parties had sat together, but there was a dispute because the Bhubaneswar and the Puri seats are the two seats which BJP definitely wanted for itself, while the BJD did not want to give it up. If you remember, Mr. Pandian, the number 2 in the BJD and in a way seen as Mr. Naveen Patnaik's successor, when he was at a News 18 event last month, he had mentioned that the BJP does not need BJD to win the Lok Sabha election in Odisha, and the BJD does not need the BJP to win the assembly election in Odisha. So in a way, there was a meeting of minds, there were talks, but it did not materialize, and now we see the BJP and the BJD fighting both Lok Sabha and assembly elections separately against each other, in fact. And some top faces of the BJP, be it Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, Union Minister from Sambalpur, or be it Sambit Patra from Puri, are in these elections for Odisha, and the Prime Minister has planned an aggressive campaign in Odisha as well for the party's top candidates, and on some very crucial seats the Prime Minister is going to go. So Prime Minister, I think in this interview to CNN News 18, making it very clear that look, the BJP has extended its support to us in the past in the Rajya Sabha, helped us pass crucial bills in national interest. मुद्दों पर सहमति है, but when it comes to Odisha, the state, the politics, we are adversaries, we are opponents of each other. The Prime Minister questioning the development model of Odisha here under Naveen Patnaik, also saying that the BJP will usher in a new era of development if given a chance in Odisha. In fact, sounding confident that the people of Odisha will be giving a bigger mandate to the BJP in the assembly elections, and the BJP is very hopeful of winning more Lok Sabha seats than the last time from Odisha in the upcoming elections.
Oh, absolutely. Pallavi is also with us. Pallavi, they say that politics does make strange bedfellows. One doesn't really understand what really are the equations between the BJP and the BJD. We have seen Bonnaby between them, and like Aman was saying, the political activity in the camps of the BJP and BJD did spark a lot of buzz. But that aside, how is the Congress party reacting to the Prime Minister's exclusive interview to CNN News 18? Have you heard from your sources? Because he has taken on the Congress party on a host of issues.
Well, just to talk very quickly about the Odisha factor that you're talking about, Naveen Patnaik in that sense has always been a good friend and ally of the BJP, and as the Prime Minister himself mentions in that interview that on policy issues, on key issues, Naveen Patnaik or the BJD has always stood by the government, whether it's been in Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, whereas legislations have been passed. But the BJP style is also very simple. You cannot expect a growth to take place only on the basis of friendship, particularly as far as politics is concerned. There was a ground report and an assessment by which the BJP felt that going along with the BJD is not really going to help their case, and that explains why that alliance did not happen in Odisha. And I think the PM does touch upon that. You're going to ask me about the Congress response. Well, there has been a strong Rahul Gandhi response to this BJP-BJD friendship. He's called it a Pan alliance. He's called it a Pandian, Amit Shah, Modi and a Naveen Babu alliance. It stoked a lot of resentment back in Odisha as well. He's called the BJD a B team of the BJP. But that's as far as Odisha goes. It's a struggling Congress party from a time when they had their own chief minister in Nandini Satpathy. Today you have the Congress party being a number 3rd party in Odisha. That's one. Second, you talk about sources. Well, Jairam Ramesh has gone on record to condemn the Prime Minister's comments. He's called it a bunch of lies, a diversionary tactic, a nervous Prime Minister facing loss, to use the words of Jairam Ramesh, is the response which has come in from the Congress, especially on the PM's comments on the Congress manifesto.
Very interesting. And Jairam Ramesh especially has been really speaking to the media. He's been explicitly expressing his views on a host of issues, taking on the BJP up front. In fact, Jairam Ramesh has also, speaking exclusively to my colleague Pallavi Ghosh on all of these issues. We'll keep coming back to Aman Sharma and Pallavi Ghosh in just a bit, but I have to slip into a short break. Very interesting, information coming in from those few excerpts that we are playing of that exclusive interview of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to CNN News 18.